Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. My name is Jay. I'm from Excel Wizard. There is a KPI dashboard that is created for one of my client, Michael Baker. We recently created it today only. And right now it's a KPI dashboard that has some of the key parameters, key performance indicators. So for example, this is related to calls as well as text messages and the leads coming from Facebook ads. So as of now, my client asked me to create one for calling as well as for text messages sends. So calls made and like people they spoke to. Then we have the total leads won and the total offers made, appointments, and after making those appointments, how many of those were finally created into a contract. Here is the conversion rate, which is the final contract versus the total calls made. As of now, this data is all dummy data, which is going to be changing depending upon the new data which will be entered by our client. But this is just a template file. Similarly, what we have for the text message is something similar, and these all could be changing as per the requirements. So we can, of course, increase or decrease any of these columns, which could be useful or not useful. Then we have the dashboard or a monthly overview tab. This is going to be the summary, monthly summary for the calls. We have a chart showcasing the total leads won versus the conversion. Those were converted into the contracts. Similarly, we have month on month. So this is month and year in format. We could also create something similar for weekly, but since the data it's in the beta phase, like when the client is going to add more data, we'll create another tab that is going to show us the weekly trend. Of course, there could be more and more data that we can create, and it depends. However, this is just a template that I have created. Similarly, we have for the text messages, we have the text messages sent versus the final contract or the conversion rate. We have monthly, month over month, and all these charts are going to be real time. These are going to be keep on changing as soon as we add the new data, or let's say if I remove all this data, it's going to change immediately right away. Since I changed it for calls, I can go ahead over here and I can see all the data got changed. I'm going to just Control Z it. So that's how this data keeps on changing on a real-time basis. Everything is coming from the pivot tables, and that's how the dashboard works. Similarly, we have the dashboard that shows us the overall picture for the text messages and also the calls made. Let me know if you're looking for this KPI dashboard. I can go ahead and share this file with you if you need it, or of course, if you need something that needs to be created on a customized, like if you need a custom made for your business, get in touch with me. I can create it within a day or two, or you can hire me for any other Excel job. The link is in the description below. Go ahead and hire me. I can help you out with any Excel or Google Sheets project. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day ahead, and bye now.